since you dated. Oh, you don't know who to get that pussy to. If he fucking with you or just fucking you, trust me, I'm focused. You need to come, girl, I've noticed. You got a mouth with your mean ass.
So hey everybody, so welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be filming an eyebrow tutorial. So basically I'm just showing you the products that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. eyeliner king, but I'm using it as a pomade for my eyebrow, of course. But then I'm going to be using a flat brush. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I used that, but I did not show it in the video. But and I also used the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Cafe. So I'm just brushing my eyebrows up with my spoolie. I got the nice little mirror. Okay, right now. Alright, cool. So then I'm just gonna go in with my pomade, and I'm gonna line up first, and then I'm gonna line underneath. I used to line underneath first. Well, actually, you know what? Yeah, I did used to line underneath first. And then, I just stopped because it was looking too dark, or like, you know, I couldn't get the arch to be right. So I was like, okay, forget it. So that's just that. But, I'm just gonna make my eyebrows, get them as dark as I want because I can't lighten them up. That's just a tip for anybody who needs to know. You can make your eyebrows as dark as you want. You can lighten them up. Well, don't go too dark, like don't do too much. I'm just saying, like, if you don't really have control on how to lighten it up in the beginning of it, then you can, you know, go as dark as you want, because you can lighten them up with your finishing powder. So now what I'm doing, I'm just going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm going to apply it underneath my brow first, and then I'm going to conceal the top of my top brow. And then I'm just going to do the same to the other one. Remember, like, your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So I had to like really get them together because, like, I like for my eyebrows to be perfect, but they really be perfect when I first get them arched. They really perfect then. So next, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna okay, all right, okay. So next, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my concealer brush from Sephora, and I'm just gonna blend it in. It's gonna blend the concealer in. So we finished the video. Thanks, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Sometimes you get act like a bitch, but I know you don't mean it. I know you don't mean it. You just need some TLC, THC. I'm thinking Hennessy. Yeah, that's me. Don't be afraid to speak your mind. Let me know.